Hello friends, want to turn your images into the Ghibli style for free? Don't worry, I have the solution for you. I have this photo of mine, and first I will convert it for free with the Grok AI, and the second time I will convert it with paid with the ChatGPT Premium. So let's start and see the results, how it will go. So first, head over to your browser and type in grok.com. It will open the Grok website and you just have to make an account which is free of cost. And here you can just upload your image. So I will upload the image right now and just type in the prompt. I will be putting this prompt in the description as well. Convert this image into the Ghibli style. Type in this prompt and I will put that in the description as well here, and just wait for it to make it. It might take a few minutes. So this is what I got in the image. So this was my image and this is what I got here. It's not too good, but it's not bad either, but it's not perfect as well. So the major drawback in the Grok is it's not too much accurate. As you can see, the original image was like this. Now let's head over to ChatGPT. So we are in the ChatGPT, which is the paid version, which is the 4, and we will be doing it right now. So upload the file. So convert this image into the Ghibli style. So let's convert this image and let's see what chat GPT will make. I'm hoping it will make better than the Grok one. And this is how chat GPT made it. And it's so real. It seems so real to me. I even adored it. That is the most beautiful photo of us in the Northern Lights. It is. And I will say that even if though the Grok AI is free of cost, it will not make the photos as chat GPT made render it for me. I'm really happy, but again, it comes with the price. So chat GPT is paid version and the Grok AI is free of cost. So whatever you want to use, you can use that. I just told you the difference, how to get it for free of cost and how to get it paid. Also, do let me know in the comments if you are able to generate some good photos. And so thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box, and see you in the next one.